Hi guys! Magandang hapon! So may dumating tayong orders ngayong araw. Unpack natin. So shoes naman ito guys. Shoes na pang kids. So ayan, OEM quality po yung shoes natin. Made in Vietnam. So very yan guys, very super nice yung quality niya and super matibay. So tested and proven ko yan guys. So, ayan. And very lang siya. Mura lang yung benta natin. So, ayan guys. Direct ship from Manila yan. 5 to 6 days ETA upon shipment. So, check nyo lang po yung timeline ko for more updates. Pili lang kayo dyan guys. So, it's time to buy shoes para i-gift sa ating mga sarili guys. Ay, kayo lang pala. Kasi ako, taga-benta lang. Walang pera. So, ayan guys, 2 pairs ng shoes pang kids, super ganda.